Want to position your brand as an industry leader and build credibility before your product even hits the market? Thought leadership videos might be the missing piece in your go-to-market strategy. They're a powerful way to showcase your expertise, connect with your audience, and set the stage for your product launch. Thought leadership videos are just one of many video types you can employ to elevate your go-to-market game. And you can read more about them in our new booklet, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video. Hang around for the rest of this video and I'll tell you how to get your own free copy. Thought leadership content lets you share your unique insights on industry trends, challenges, and solutions. It's not about selling, it's about educating and offering value to your audience. When your audience sees you tackling relevant issues, they start to see you as a trusted authority, and that trust often leads to deeper engagement when it's time to introduce your product. Video takes thought leadership to the next level by adding a personal touch. Seeing and hearing from the actual people behind the brand helps humanize your company. It shows that you're not just knowledgeable, but approachable. Whether you're discussing key market trends, sharing best practices, or giving a forward-looking vision of your industry, video allows you to communicate in a way that's much more engaging than text or static content. Plus, video thought leadership is highly shareable. It can spread across your social platforms, email campaigns, and even industry publications, amplifying your voice and extending your reach far beyond your existing audience. This makes it an incredibly effective tool for building awareness and credibility leading up to a product launch. And with remote video capture, creating thought leadership videos is faster and easier than ever. No need for complicated logistics or film crews. You can record high-quality content from anywhere on your own time and on your own terms. This streamlines the process so you can focus on delivering your message rather than coordinating production. Thought leadership videos are just one way to use video for go-to-market efforts. Other valuable formats include product demos, webinars, and behind-the-scenes content. I'll be covering those in future videos, so be sure to keep an eye out for them. And if you'd like a free copy of our new booklet, Maximizing Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video, just leave me a comment below. If this gave you some ideas, like, share, and comment below. Let's talk about how video can elevate your go-to-market strategy. Thanks for watching.